Good morning, birthday girl.
Right now we are playing in our sandbox. Oh, there's fireworks. People are doing fireworks this late. Guess whose birthday it is?
Yes, girls. Yeah, it's like 12 o'clock. It's noon right now, and people are lighting off fireworks somewhere.
Probably over there. I know. Wait, last night I got an idea of what we could do. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. We make an island! Alright, we gotta flat it out.
Hi.
Alright, now we're gonna flat, and then we gotta get a bucket. I need a bucket. Okay, over here. What do you You see? This. Go in. Dad, I want to say something. Dad, I want to show you something satisfying with this. Look. It looks like pasta to me. Yeah. It just looks like a shower. Whenever you do it. But a sandy shower. Alright, watch. I'm going to make a sand pyramid. Whatever. Oh.
Maybe that's too fine of sand.
Oh. This is not the kind. That's okay. Let me try mine. I was gonna make a cone. Oh. Yeah, this is the same. That's fine. Alright, ready?
Yeah, but it doesn't work very well. That's okay.
Oh, the bottom feels like so crunchy. With all the sand in it. Guys, watch this. Mine looks like a person. Looks like Squidward. Oh Lord. Oh look, there's a helicopter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a helicopter up there. Making a noise like McDonald's.
Zach just likes to play with his cars in the sand. So she gets to open one present right now after lunch. Go ahead.
I got Piggy out the character. Which one? Clowny.
So it's the next morning, and we let these cakes sit out all night with saran wrap on top just to be covered, and we let them cool so they are completely cool. Now she wants pink colored frosting with like purple colored squiggles in frosting design. So what we did, we just bought just a white frosting, and we got the food coloring that we're gonna make the pink right there, and then the purple, I guess she wants some kind of squiggles on her cake. So we're gonna frost that today and get that decorated for her. So let's get started. So we just got the frosting all mixed up with the food coloring, and it turned out a really pretty pink. So now we're gonna get ready to frost our cakes. Okay, so we frosted the cake and the pink part is all done.
Look at my pink part.
Yeah.
My favorite color pink.
So we saved a little bit of frosting that we're gonna
Put
the food dye on for the purple part. So we saved just a little bit so she can do some zigzags and swirls and stuff that she wants to do. So I'm gonna put it in a sandwich bag and just let her go wild on it. So I'm gonna mix up the purple and we'll be back. Okay, so Samantha is in charge of doing the purple frosting with the designs and the squiggles, so go ahead.
Okay. I'm drawing me. Here we go. That's how my person looks.
Okay, so far she drew a person.
The eyes are a little funny.
That's okay. Okay, take it over and keep going.
And I'm gonna write happy birthday.
Just do some squiggles and stuff. You don't.
Oops.
Oh, you got your arm in the frosting, honey.
Or I'll just wipe it off. I'll just do some squiggles. There we go. Look at my cake.
You're all done?
Mm-hmm. I'm all done with my cake.
I'll have to fix that pink part she put her arm in. That's okay. Did pretty good. Good job. Okay, it's time for Samantha to unwrap her presents.
It's a Barbie.
It's a mermaid Barbie.
Look, snoky eyes.
I got rice. Look. Look. I got flamingo here.
Do you like that stuff?
Yeah, I like them. They're pretty.
What is it?
I don't know. What is this? Wait, it's a piggy bank.
It's got a bunch of stuff in it.
Yeah, read what it says. It's got all kinds of stuff in it.
Oh, I think
Vanessa, what is this? Dude, she forgot this.
So now we're getting ready for cake. Yay! Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday to you.
Good job, dude.
Yay!
Yep.
Woo!
Yep.
So right now we're out here doing fireworks. There's Nick. Everybody else is,
Oh, well.
Back
Well,
there.
he doesn't like the fireworks. He's scared.
yeah, Zach's sitting in the corner. He doesn't really like them.
I mean, he likes the quiet one, but he doesn't like the crack one. Wait, two?
fireflies back there in the distance. There's a nice star up there too. Yeah, Tim is making a big one.
Oh, imagine those two boxes.
Wow.
The flag one.
You want me to take periodic juice?
So Tim and I bought 3 packs from Walmart. We used the smaller pack yesterday. So right now we're lighting off the 2 bigger packs that we had left over.
Ooh. Ooh, so pretty.
But there's our UFOs coming out of there. I like that one.
I love that one.
So this is our grand finale. Tim set off 2 packs. Ooh, still going. Woo! We want to say thank you so much for watching our video today. Samantha's birthday video, and she had such a good birthday. She did so many good things today, and she had fun. We're actually right now, we're on the porch watching the last of the fireworks. We finished up ours, but there are some fireworks in the distance that we can see from our porch right now. And yeah, we're just enjoying our night before we go in for the night. Thank you so much for watching our video. Like and subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber to Mayhem and Family Fun. See you in the next video, guys.
Bye.